Today I'm learning repairs, repair a switch. It is my personal switch, so it has some problems. First of all, I was trying to learn the electrical points, where how much the voltage here on this part also. So here is I've learned here is 15, and here is the battery control management. I've taken off out of the chassis. It works, like it was working fine a few days ago, but now if I try to connect the battery, it won't work. I put on voltage on DC. It will just not work now. The battery is fully is working. It's losing charge now, but it was working. I can, like here, wait, here it works without any problem. Don't know here how much on the bulb, on this on the air, on the R2 it's nothing, but on the rest of the board it goes. On this part, every part of here works, just this part doesn't want to go, like here. So I've asked Gemini, what can I do? From what I searched on the with Gemini, it said to me three things. The first one was that I put on diode mode, and I put my right probe on ground pin. I think here is the ground pin on the capacitor on the good. So I don't think there is any short. I will just do some more research, and I will come back with more news. So I found the problem. It wasn't the circuit. No, I think it's the circuit, but the circuit. But it was it was on continuous mode because of the ohms, and it put it on diode mode, is with volts. So if I put with the right probe here, and but I think I have found the problem here. It can be just a small capacitor. If not, it is the M92. I have replacements for it. Here I'm trying to just test the probes, not the probes but the points, to see if everything works fine. And I found the problem. It was the nearest capacitor near the RAM, I think. I'm not doing for views, I'm just doing to document everything I'm doing, to see if the channel grows and I can do more things by like a faulty switch and try to repair it. But I need to do some repairs before trying to do that, so I gain experience. I think, yeah, everything works fine. I will buy a microscope to have a better view, and for you guys to have a more niche view of what I'm doing, because I'm using my a phone of mine to film this. The quality is like kinda mid, but it works for me. I have found the problem. The problem is the small capacitor here, this small one. If I'm correct, according to Gemini, it said me to try to reflow the chip, not reflow, but with the air gun. to try to remove it and see if there is any short. If there is, if it continues the short, it's a problem, it's a small capacitor here. If not, it's a M92. I have some replacement parts, so it will be no problem. So I will try. I will I'll take this out. I will remove it. But first of all, I don't want to damage that board. I will just try to remove this one. It's of my dead motherboard, just to test if I can. If not, I will try not. Yes! Bora! Okay, so yes, bora! Woo! It was a success. I have no, it is here. Yes, it is good now. So I will with multimeter. I will see. Now I'll put everything down and okay, everything is set. Now I will test continuity mode, diode mode, and I will see if it's the M92 or is something else. I will clean of it. I will clean everything to be everything to be workable. Okay, no, I don't need it. It's clean now. And now I will see if it works or not. The moment of truth. Oh, continue mode. Oh, it was not the M92. Okay, it's new. So it's not the M92. It is fully working. It's just that is the capacitor. Okay, it's new. I was thinking it was going to be the M92, but it was fully working. So I just blew off. I think it's better that than something else. So it is, I'll put here so I don't lose it. Yes, so it is the capacitor. I don't have, if I search here on my capacitor thing, I can try to see if it works or not. Hmm. Yeah, it's not working. So it is what it is. I don't have a replacement parts, but now I know what is the problem with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and it will be for next time or next week. I don't know when I'll post this, but it can be after I come back from holiday. Yeah, bye.